You are watching channel Maths and Methods Academy. In this video we are going to solve two linear simultaneous equations with the help of substitution method. So our given equations in this question are, first one is 4x plus y is equal to 14. We name it as equation number 1. Then the second one is x plus 5y is equal to 13, and we name it as equation number 2. Now to start with, we subtract 5y from both sides of equation number 2. Our equation number 2 is x plus 5y is equal to 13. We subtract 5y from both sides. Minus 5y cancels with plus 5y, and we are left with x is equal to 13 minus 5y. Now we substitute the value of x in equation number 1. Our equation number 1 is 4x plus y is equal to 14. We will replace now x with this value. So 4 into 13 minus 5y plus y is equal to 14. Now we solve this equation for the value of y. 4 into 13 is 52. 4 into minus 5 is minus 20. Y plus y is equal to 14. Minus 20y plus y is minus 19y is equal to 14 minus 52, which implies that minus 19y is equal to minus 38. Dividing both sides by minus 19, we will get y is equal to 2. Now by substituting y is equal to 2 in equation number 2, we will get, so our equation number 2 is x plus 5y is equal to 13. Here we will substitute the value of y, which is 2. So x plus 5 into 2 is equal to 13. X plus 5 into 2 is 10 is equal to 13. We subtract 10 from both sides. Minus cancels with plus. So x is equal to 3. So our solution set in this case is x is 3 and y is 2, which is the answer of our question. That's all for now. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. Until the next time, please take care and bye.